In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize subtitles in Clipchamp step by step. Subtitles are extremely important if you want your videos to be more accessible, more professional, and easier to watch without sound. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or business videos, captions can significantly improve viewer engagement and watch time. I'll walk you through the entire process, from importing your video to customizing the look of your subtitles. I'll also explain an important detail about Clipchamp's plans so you know exactly what to expect. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp in your browser or desktop app and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on Create a new video to start a new project. You'll now need to import the video you want to add subtitles to. Click on Import Media and upload your video file from your computer. After the upload is complete, drag your video down onto the timeline so it's ready for editing. Next, make sure your video clip is selected in the timeline. This is important because the captions feature will only appear when a clip is actively selected. Once selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen, where the property panel is located. In this panel, you'll see several tabs for editing different aspects of your video. Click on the Captions tab to access the subtitle options. Now here's an important thing to keep in mind. The auto-captions feature in Clipchamp requires an active upgraded plan. In this video, I'm demonstrating using the basic plan, but the steps and interface are pretty much the same if you're on a paid plan. If you don't see the option available, that's likely because your account isn't upgraded yet. If you do have access, go ahead and toggle on auto-captions. Clipchamp will then ask you to select the language spoken in your video. Choose the correct language so the transcription is as accurate as possible. After selecting the language, click on Transcribe Media. Clipchamp will now analyze the audio in your video and automatically generate subtitles. This process may take a few moments depending on the length of your video. Once the transcription is complete, you'll see subtitles appear directly on your video in the preview window, and they'll also be aligned on the timeline. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly play through the video and check for any spelling or timing errors. You can click on individual caption segments to edit the text manually if needed. Now let's move on to customizing your subtitles. With the caption selected, you can change the font style, font size, and text color using the editing menu. You can also adjust the position of the subtitles on the screen, which is helpful if you don't want them covering important visuals. Clipchamp also allows you to add outlines or shadows to your text, making the subtitles easier to read against different backgrounds. Take a bit of time here to experiment with the styling options until the captions match your brand or video style. Clean, readable subtitles can make a huge difference in how professional your video looks. Once you're happy with your subtitles, preview the video one final time to make sure everything looks and sounds right. When you're done, click the Export button, choose your desired resolution, and export your video with the subtitles included. And that's it! You now know how to add and customize subtitles in Clipchamp. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.